Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So viewers, how are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. So viewers, these are super incredible and very unique and very latest button art and craft ideas for you guys. These are very trending, very amazing and very unique and very pretty. Button art and craft ideas for you guys. These are handmade, very unique and very beautiful and very amazing button art and craft ideas for you guys. Hope so viewers you enjoyed this video. These are very amazing, these are very unique and very pretty button art and craft ideas for you guys. I am glad to see you all guys. For more details and if you want different other kind of videos, you guys easily make these button craft ideas at home. These are very unique, very amazing and super incredible collection for you guys. These are very amazing and very unique handmade button craft ideas for you guys. Must share this video with your friends and with your family members. These are very amazing and very unique handmade ideas for you guys. Must try these and watch different other collection craft collection videos on my channel. So always take care guys, always be happy, and these are trending and very unique and very amazing ideas for you guys. So take care, bye bye, Allah Hafiz guys.